Buy a Roblox gift card with Cash App. In today's video, you are going to learn how to buy a Roblox gift card with Cash App. So let's get started. First, head over to Roblox gift card section, and in the gift card section, you have to click on Shop Gift Card. After that, the screen will appear. You have to select who is the gift card for. You can select for a friend or you can select for you. Then click on Pick a Gift Card. Now here you have to select the amount of the gift card and you have to select whether you want to send a digital card or a physical card. After that, you will select the amount. You will be able to choose your gift card design. You can select according to your needs, and after selecting your gift card design, you can add the credit you would like to put on the card. After clicking on the credit you want to put on the card, you can also add a personalized message with your gift card. And that's all. Now you have, if you want to add another card, it will give you an option in the end of your receipt. You just have to click on add another card, and now you have to add your credit card information. That's how you will be able to buy Roblox gift card with Cash App. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.